In this video, I'll be showing how to replace front fender liners on a Chevrolet Equinox. They are located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Let's go and remove our left front wheel. There's 5 19mm lug nuts. Now that our wheel is removed, we could go ahead and start removing our T15 Torx screws holding the fender liner down. You'll find them along the wheel well. I'm going to move along to the front portion of the fender liner and start removing our T15 Torx screws using a T15 bit on a drill. Moving along the upper rear portion, you'll find 2 more. Now on the lower rear portion, you also find 2 more. Now we're going to find 2 more T15 screws along the inner part of the fender liner. Now in the upper part of the fender liner, you're going to find a push pin clip. I'll be removing this using a trim tool. Now we're going to move along to the mud guard under the front bumper and locate these 6 7mm bolts holding the mud guard down and the fender liner. I'll be using a 7mm to remove them. We're going to set our mud guard aside. Now we're going to go ahead and locate our last 7mm bolt, which was under the mud guard. Now let's go ahead and remove our fender liner. We're going to pull out from all corners. And there it is. Now let's go ahead and install our new fender liner. Just going to slide it in place. Now with everything aligned, let's go ahead and install our T15 screws. So I'm just going to snug these down. Now I'm going to move to both screws on the inner part of the wheel well. Now for our push pin clip on the upper side of the fender liner. Push down and make sure it's secure. We're at where our mud guard went. I'm going to start by installing our 7mm bolt that went in this recessed hole. Just snug it down. Now for our mud guard and its 4 7mm bolts. Just line it up and install your bolts. Now let's reinstall our left front wheel. Just snug these up by hand. I'm going to tie in these in a crisscross pattern. So just snug them down for now. Now let's go ahead and torque these to 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. And that completes our install. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.